everyone. My name is Aarati and my student ID is 8231131. I will be presenting my presentation on the topic of minimizing potential hazards of materials and finishes for buildings. First, I will explain what is construction materials and finishes. Construction materials are the materials like wood, concrete, steel, bricks, and glasses. I have also presented here the pictures, uh, which we use to build house, buildings, and other structures. Uh, each materials has their unique qualities like strength and flexibility, and they are chosen to make the building building meets their requirements like they are strong and strong, safe, and long lasting. And finishes are the final touches we add on the surface in a building like paint on walls, tiles on floors, or polish on wood. Like I have also put the pictures here. uh, like paint on walls, tiles on floors in the building. We usually use this to in final touches. They make the building look beautiful, nice, and also it protect from gradual damages. Like sometimes in the tiles there is scratches, and in paints there is also scratches. And here are some common points that I will cover in this presentation. Importance of material selections, common hazardous materials and finishes, potential hazards posed by unsafe materials and finishes, New Zealand regulations and standards governing material safety in construction, steps for assessing material hazards, and conclusion. First, I will start from importance of material selection. When choosing a right material is very crucial for making a building. Uh, for safety, durability, and performance, environmental impact, and complaints. Safety, we have to look after the health and safety of workers in the workplace while doing the constructions. And durability, choosing the right durable materials are very essentials for the longevity of the building, for the lives of buildings, and the performance. Environmental impact, like uh, we have to choose the right we have to choose eco-friendly materials and non-toxic materials, and we have to also choose the sustainable materials to reduce the harm to the nature. As we can use good good materials to not to harm the environment. As you know that sometimes bad materials can harm us, our health and safety, and also that can help the environment also. The compliance, using the while using the right materials in the constructions, that ensures legal compliance and safety. For example, I want to give some example as well. Choosing low box paints improves indoor air quality, protecting occupants from harmful fumes. Like box paints means the chemicals um, that release harmful fumes. Um, the harmful fumes when it exposed to the air, the paint dries out. And the second topic is common hazardous materials. Common hazardous materials contains I have contain the four topics: asbestos, lead-based paint, volatile organic components (VOC), which also known as VOCs, flammable finishes. Asbestos and lead-based paints are old method, and volatile organic components and flammable finishes are the modern form methods. As I told you that asbestos is used in old time. It is used as roofing as it is heat resistance, and usually as I have also put some pictures related to asbestos. uh, it causes lung diseases like cancer. When we inhale its fabric, it can cause lung diseases. uh, and the second is lead based paint. Lead based paint, previously used for its durability. It is used for its durability in old time, but due to its disadvantages, like it's lead to poisoning, especially in younger children. And the third is these two are modern methods: volatile organic components (VOCs) and flammable finishes. Volatile organic components are found in many paints and adhesives. It releases harmful gases that reduce indoor air quality and cause breathing issues. Like I had already told in above slides that VOC are the chemicals or paints that cause that release uh, harmful forms that cause breathing issues. Flammable finishes. Flammable finishes are materials like paint, plastics, or improperly treated woods that can integrate easily. Like integrate easily means it has chance to catch the fire easily. Um, Third one is potential hazards posed by unsafe materials and finishes. While choosing the materials, we have to see its potential hazards, like health issues, fire hazards, structural failures, indoor air quality. Hazard risks: exposed to asbestos, lead, and box can cause cancer, respiratory issues, or neurological damage. 3 minutes left. Fire hazards. Flammable materials increase the risks of fire. Structural failures. It means weak or substandard materials can lead to building collapse or damages. Indoor air quality. Harmful emissions from materials affect long-term air quality, causing health issues. And another topic is New Zealand regulation and standards governing material safety in construction. First, I will discuss about Building Act 2004. What is the role of this in New Zealand building regulation and standards? They provide legislative frameworks for building work, ensuring materials must meet safety and performance standards. Second is New Zealand Building Code. Set performance standards for building materials include durability, sustainability, uh, and resistance on hazardous materials. Third is Health and Safety at Work 2015. Health and Safety at Work 2015 is meant to protect workers and any other workers from harm in the construction site. Um, and it handles and use of hazardous materials and requires proper training and protective measures before joining the construction. Construction employees should give the employer the proper training and protective measures. Uh, and second, the fourth one is New Zealand standards. New Zealand is NZS includes various standards such as NZS 42.3 for structural design. We structural design and NZS 4431 for plastic pipes, ensuring material safety and performance. Like while making the buildings, we have to look after these. We have to consider the structural design and plastic pipes, where we have to put our pipes, and we have to see the structural design is also good or not. And the last topic is steps for assessing material hazards. First, material safety. First, we have to see the material are safe or not, like reviewing their toxic or hazardous substances. And the second one is risk assessment. We have to evaluate is there any risks or not in the while selecting material selection, selecting material. Compliance checks, like it ensure materials complies with and BS, RMA, and HSNO standards. We have to check that materials comply with these standards or not. And in the last step, we have to test and certification. We use certificate non-toxic materials and with lab tested performance. We have to check the certification is right or not. We have to test the materials is good for the buildings or not. And conclusion, in conclusion, selecting safe building materials is very crucial for protecting health and safety. By managing hazards like asbestos and lead, adhering to New Zealand regulations, and conducting thoroughly risk assessment, we ensure both regulatory compliance and the well-being of building occupants. We should prioritize material safety in first and helps, which helps prevent health issues and maintains structural integrity. Thank you everyone for listening.
Thank you. Around 12 minutes. Like me. And be ready for the question, please.
Yeah.
Who has any question?
No, sir.
And please tell me about the key points of the PPE.
PPE.
Yes.
We,
The key points of the PPE and the types of them.
In PPE, we have to it contains of health and safety. The workers should be in health and safety. They should wear helmets, gloves, jackets, and the safety measures that
What is the purpose of that?
to keep workers safe from any accidents in the construction. To keep the workers safe.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So much.